boys and girls. Today we're doing lesson 12.2. I have my special helper here, Scarlett. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're going to be learning how can you use models to compare customary units of length. So when we were working and talking about the customary system, this is a system that we use for measurement here in the United States. There are two systems of measurement, the customary system and the metric system. Basically, the metric system is used everywhere in the world except for the United States. And we're kind of one of the few countries that use our customary system. There's a whole bunch of history behind that, and you can ask Miss Framos all about that since it's part of social studies. But, so we use the customary system, and it's all about inches, feet, yards, and miles. And that's how we measure length. And length is the distance between two things. From one side of a board to another, from one side of a house to another side of the house, from one house to a different house, from one city to another city. These are all measuring lengths and places. So that's how we measure the distance. So we're going to look at a word problem, and we're going to learn how we can go from one unit of measurement, inches or feet or yards, to another. So let's look at this problem here. Emma has 4 feet of thread. She needs 50 inches of thread to make some bracelets. How can she determine if she has enough thread to make the bracelets? So let's look at what she's doing here. Emma has 4 feet, so she's measuring her thread in feet. And she's looking at what she needs, and she needs 50 inches of thread. So maybe she went to the store and she bought the thread that she liked, and it was measured in feet, but she knows how much she needs in inches. So she needs to see if she can determine if she has enough thread to make some bracelets. How many bracelets can she make? So one important thing that she needs to know is that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So if she has 4 feet, she needs 50 inches. We need to use this measurement to figure out how many units she can make. We're going to use this equation. We're going to say that there's 12 inches in 1 foot. So let's decide how many inches are in 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 feet, 5 feet, okay? And the way we do that is we multiply the number of feet by 12, and that will give us how many inches there are. So 1 foot is 12 inches. And we can look at an equation and say 1 times 12 is 12. 1 foot times 12 inches is 12 inches, okay? 2 feet times 12. 2 times 12 is 24. So 2 feet is 24 inches. 3 feet times 12. 3 times 12 is 36. So 3 feet is 36 inches. 4 feet times 12. 4 times 12 is 48. So 4 feet is 48 inches. 5 feet times 12. 5 times 12 is 60. So 5 feet is 60 inches. So she has 4 feet. She needs 50 inches. So let's see. 4 feet on my chart is right here. And it says that 4 feet is 48 inches. So we're going to compare 48 inches to our 50. So I already have 50 inches here. So I'm going to write 48 inches. And that's representing the 4 feet. So let's just compare 48 and 50. 48 inches is greater than, less than, or equal to 50 inches. 48 is less than 50 inches. So, does she have enough thread to make her bracelets? If she needs 50 inches, 4 feet is only 48 inches. So Emma does not have enough thread to make the bracelets that she wants to make. She's going to have to go ahead and buy 5 feet, okay? If we look here, 5 feet would give me 60 inches, which then if I'm comparing 48 to 60, I can see that 60 is going to be greater and she would have enough. Okay? Is that right?
I compared the 60 to 50.
To 50 inches. Sorry. She needs 50. She has 60. 60 is greater, so then she would have enough. All right. Let's convert some units of measurement. Let me just pull up some questions. All right. Okay, really important to know, customary units of length. We have 1 foot, and we abbreviate feet like this, FT. And 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And we abbreviate inches, IN. Okay? 1 yard, and that's YD. And that is equal to 3 feet. The next one is 1 yard in inches. Is 36 inches. Okay? So let's look at some conversions. If I had 2 feet, I need to figure out how many inches that is. 2 feet, 1 foot is 12 inches. So all I'm going to do is 2 times 12. That's 24 inches. Let's do 3 yards is equal to how many feet? Well, 1 yard is 3 feet. So 3 yards times 3 feet per yard. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 yards is equal to 9 feet. Let's see, 7 yards. How many feet is that? So 1 yard is 3 feet. If I have 7, I'm going to just do 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 yards is 21 feet. Let's see, 7 feet. How many inches is that? Okay, so 7 feet, 1 foot is 12 inches. So 7 times 12 is 84 inches. So all you're doing is you're multiplying. If you're looking for feet to inches, you're doing times 12. For every yard, you're timesing it by 3. If you're figuring out how many yards with inches, you're timesing it by 36. Okay? So today you're going to be completing your reteaching in your notebook, and you're going to be doing lesson 12.2 on Think Central. Have a great day.